Today we're going to be driving my S14. It's a grassroots drift car, very basic entry-level car. It's got an SR20 in it. If you guys do want to see the full machine check on this car, make sure you subscribe to this channel because it's going to be releasing within a couple weeks. It's time to drive. Let's go drive. So to start this car up, we got main power, ECU, got our gauges, and then we're gonna hit our fuel, which is far left, and we're gonna start. Take a left here and get on the road. This car is fairly stock. It's running on 7 pounds on a stock Garrett T25 turbo. Of course, over time I'm going to film actual machine check, so if you guys want to see a machine check, make sure you subscribe to the channel because that's going to be out eventually. It is almost rush hour, so we might get a bit of traffic here. I'm deciding if I want to go right or left. I don't know. I don't want to get stuck in traffic, and I don't want to draw too much attention to myself. I think we'll pop a left here. We'll pop a left here. Just waiting for this light. I thought the sheriff was pulling me over, but there's a school right there and he was getting ready to set up for the school zone. That scared me so bad. That scared me so bad. We're gonna go up here and get out of this area because I don't want to have to deal with any cops. Right now to avoid school zones because I think there's another one up here to the left. So I'm trying just to not see any cops really. Outside and there's just a lot of people, so a little harder now, a little hard. any reckless hoonigan things, you know. I don't want to do any launches because these people, they don't like us, man. They don't like loud cars and stuff, especially beater drift cars. So I'm kind of chilling right now. Car's running decent. We'll see what happens. I used to like Koki, but Zenki grew on me, man. So what do you guys like, Zenki or Koki? Let me know in the comments. You guys know I'm Zenki. Maybe that's biased though, I don't know.
Yeah, the purchase just closed the... 1 sec. There's some drift car blocking the turn. Wait, that's Team Vandal. Yo, hold up, that's really him.
Well, let's get out of here. People don't like looking at me in my drift car. Looking at me like I'm crazy. I mean, I got the GoPro on. He's probably like, this guy is drifting or hooning his car right now. Nah, I got the GoPro on. I'm chilling though, dude. And you gotta do that school zone, so you stay over there. There's a lot of cops out right now because of the school zones, so I don't think I'm gonna have a good time if I start, you know, popping some drifts here and there. Should I do a pull? If this van goes to the left, I'll do a pull. Actually, I'll do a pull regardless. That was bad. I almost stalled. That was really bad. This is the one thing I should have came out at a different time, because now I'm gonna get all these school zones and stuff, so I gotta kind of drive all slow, which obviously, yeah, I'm being safe, but like, you guys want to see pulls, so we'll figure something out though. Oh, nice little is that a Golf R? Oh wow, that's pretty clean. So I'm not even gonna use gas here. I'm just gonna let off the clutch and see if I can get going. So if you come around this area, you see a lot of modified good. 175. Everything looks straight. I should have checked my AFRs on that pull, but I'll just do it next time. That was so cool. That guy drove by me and gave me a thumbs up. That's so sick. I love that, man. Between each gear, that was pretty sick. I can't do pulls up here. There's a school zone and a school, so I'm gonna stay in this left lane, and we'll get past here. There's another underpass, and then another school. What am I doing? Where am I going, man? I guess even if I pop a left, there's another school. So this is why you gotta plan the time to come out the house. There's a lot of schools by where I live. Some people are gonna hate it. Some people are gonna like. Ooh, little Lexus. That thing was slammed. What the heck? I don't even want to do a pull. I just want to look at these cars. Whoa, hey, that A6 is slammed, dude. Right, there's an underpass, but there's traffic, and I know there's cops. So, maybe some flutter. To the track and, you know, start drifting again, because this thing is nice. FedEx truck, get off my tail, dude. I mean, like, you're so much bigger than me. Like, pause, no homo, but you know what I'm trying to say.